Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hannah. Today I'm going to show you how to create a field map in Tableau with tabular data. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. This is the dataset that I'm going to use today. In this dataset, I have the states of United States, and also at the end of this dataset, I have the sales. Here I will only use the states and sales. I have already opened Tableau Public and also connected my dataset into Tableau. Now let's go and create the visual here. First of all, we will go and drag and drop this states field into our view. Then we will have to go and change this mark into map. Click on this drop down and go to the map, select the map. Here you can see that we have a field map. Now let's go and add the sales into our mark. Here we have the sales field. Drag and drop it to the colors. Now you can see that in each state we can show the amount of sales with colors. Those states that have the highest amount of sales will have the darker color, and those states that have the least amount of the sales will have the lighter color. This is our field map. We have already created our field map that shows the amount of sales in each state of United States. Now let's go and add some other formatting in here. I want to show the name of each state on top of the states and also the amount of sales. For that, let's go and add the states here. Just drag and drop it into the label. You can see that we have the name of each state on top of that state. Now let's go and add sales here. Again, drag and drop it into the label. Here you can see that we have the labels of each one. Now let's go and format it. In the label, click on this label, click on this 3 dots. Now I want both of them to be bold. The other thing that I want to do is I want to add this sum of sales in between brackets. I also want to make the size of this sum of sales a little larger, like 11. And also I want to change the color of it into dark gray. Click on apply and OK. You can see that we have just changed the formatting of the labels. Now let's go and change the border of the map. In color, click on this color. Here we have the option border. Click on the border. I want the color of it to be white. Now you can see that we changed the color of the borders also. And the other thing that I want to do is that to fade the background design a little bit. For that, let's go to the map here, background layers. Now here I want to a little bit wash out it, like this, just a little bit. That's it. We created our field map and also add a little bit of formatting on it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.